me show you KitchenAid's Walnut Wood Espresso Accessory Kit, just here. These are suitable for our KitchenAid semi-automatic coffee machines. So let me show you what's inside them. All the instructions on how to care and use are on the top of the box. Firstly, there is a beautiful portafilter with that gorgeous handle. It's also got our KitchenAid logo on the end. That just slides in here. A beautiful timber tamper with our KitchenAid details on the top as well. Stainless steel around the bottom. And there is a bean hopper with that beautiful walnut wood lid. So you can just swap out the lids of the bean hopper, or you can remove the bean hopper completely by twisting to unlock and then taking that bean hopper off. It's always really handy to have a spare bean hopper and placing that one in. The lid has a seal around it as well, so it fits nice and securely. So there is the Espresso Accessory Kit from KitchenAid.